Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the exercise 2E from R.S. Aggarwal from the chapter Polynomial, grade 9. This is a special request. I got a special request from one of my students on YouTube. So thanks for commenting, liking and sharing the videos. This exercise has 34 questions basically on factorization, and most of the factorization should be done using the grouping method. So this is a revision exercise because the next exercise is the most important. That's also the revision exercise. Anyway, so the first one. So I will try to do this complete this exercise in 3 videos. Each video consisting 11 questions. So this is the part one. Okay, the first is given 9x square plus 12xy. That's the first question given. So we have to group the term. So that means we have to go for taking out the common. So we can take from the first and the second term, we can take 3 common from the numerical part and x common from the variable part. And we are left with, from here I have taken 3 common, so we are left with 3. From 2x square I have taken 1x common, so we are left with x. And from 12 I have taken 3 common, so we are left with 4, and then we have taken the x common, so we are left with y. So we are left with, that's the factorization of the question, 3x into 3x plus 4y. Second question given 18x square y minus 24xyz. So we can see we can take common 6 x and y. That's we can take common, so we are left with 3. 1x we have taken, so 1x minus 4 xy we have taken out, so z. Okay, the third question is 27 a cube b cube minus 45 a to the power 4 b square. So we can take 9 a cube b square common. That's the HCF of these two terms. So 9 a cube, that's the minimum we can take. The maximum common part between the a cube and a to the power 4 is a cube, so we can take a cube out. And from b cube and b square we can take b square out, so we are left with 3a minus 5, sorry, not 3a, actually we should have 3b. So 9b, oh sorry, so 3b minus 5a. The fourth one, in the fourth one we have 2a into x plus y minus 3b into x plus y. So we can obviously take the xy common. We can simply see that x plus y is the common term between the terms. So, and we're left with 2a from the first one and 3b from the second one. So 2a minus 3b. The fifth question, 2x into p square plus q square plus 4y into p square plus q square. 2x into p square plus q square plus 2y into p square plus q square. So we can take p square plus q square common. So p square plus q square. We are left with 2x plus 2y. Sorry, that was 4y. Okay. So the question was 4y. Okay. Between these two terms, again, we can take 2 common. So 2 into p square plus q square times x plus 2y. The sixth one, x into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. Literally, we can see there is nothing common, right? But that 5 minus a, if I that just interchange, if I take minus common from this term, I can make a term common. So we're gonna write a minus 5. I'm gonna take minus common from this portion, so minus y into a minus 5. If I take minus out, each and every term will change its sign. That's how you can take the minus out. So minus a will become positive a and plus 5 will become negative 5. Okay, so whenever you are taking minus out, it means you have to change the sign of each term inside the bracket. Now we can just simply take the a minus 5 common, and we are left with x minus 5. Okay, that's a little bit tricky. The seventh one, the seventh question was 4 into a plus b and minus 6 into a plus b whole square. So we can take 2 into a plus b common. From the first term we are left with 2, second term we are left with 3 into a plus b. So if I simplify a little, it will be 2 minus 3a minus 3b, right? Okay. You may be wondering what happens with the exercise 2D, because I have already uploaded exercise 1a, sorry 2a, 2c. But what happens in the 2D, I have already recorded it, but unfortunately in the middle the voice went out, so I have to just edit the voice, so it may take a little time. But this the students for who has specially requested it, she want the exercise 2a e and 2f, so that's why I thought I should upload the 2a as fast as possible, though I have promised to upload it by yesterday anyway, so but I'm uploading it today. But still the first part anyway, so I will try my hard to do it by tomorrow. uh, Maybe I will be able to keep the promise. That's the 10th question give 8th question given. Sorry for not keeping the promise. I don't used to do that. I can take 2 into 3, 3 minus 2 be common, and I'm left with 4 times, there is square is there, so we are left with 4 times 3a minus 2b minus 5, because from 10 I have taken 2 out. So I should little bit simplify it. 3a minus 2b, 12a minus 8b minus 5. That's how what we are getting by the 8th question. The ninth one is x into x plus y whole cube minus 3x square y. If the students, if you want any live one-to-one session with me, you can write that into the comment section. I also provide the live one-to-one session with the students, where I can help you to solve that. I also provide the inter course for the inter grade, and I also provide the solution specifically if you have any doubt, especially before the exam. That's also I help with the students with. And I'm also planning to launch a website for you as a blog. So from there also you will be able to book the session with me if you want any private one-to-one session with me, and you also will be able to find these stuffs there in a more organized way. So keep supporting the channel, because always a student is inspiration for the teachers. Okay, I should apply the formula here, x plus y whole square. We all know the formula, 2xy plus y square minus 3xy. So it gives me the solution as x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, okay. So the next one, the 10th one. In the first part, this is the first part of the video, so we'll be solving the 11 questions only. It's given x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 10. So from the first two, okay, here from the first two we can take x square common from the first two term. Okay, I have to group them. So from the first two term I'm taking x square common. So I will be left with x plus 2, and from the next two term I'm taking 5 common. I'll be left with x plus 2. Okay. For this kind of problems, you should judge before taking the common that how you should organize the terms, so that after taking common you should have again a common term which you can take again out. So that will be the answer for this question. So let's do the 11th one. So 11th one is given x square plus xy minus 2xz minus 2xz minus 2yz. Okay, so I can take x common, so it will be x plus y, and then from 2z common it will be x plus y. Okay, as I have taken minus common, you have to be careful here. If whenever you are taking minus common, each and every term inside the bracket should change its sign. So it is negative, it become positive. This is also negative, this become positive, because I have taken minus out. You have to be careful while taking the minus term common. Now I can see x plus y is common again, so I'm taking x plus y common, and I'm left with x minus 2z. So that's the answer for the 11th one. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. In the next video I will be uploading the part 2 of the exercise 2e. Keep watching the videos, keep subscribing, liking and sharing with your friends. uh, and if you have any suggestions so that I can improve my videos for you, if you have any particular questions need to be solved, you can everything you can write down in the comment section. I will be happy to answer you. In this video, if you think like that question is little difficult for you to understand, even you can upload that here, and I will be happy to solve you through the video either, or through the one-to-one session with you. Okay, the live one-to-one session, what I used to take for the last 4 years is like a video call using the whiteboard, uh, with your doubts. Okay, so thanks. Let me write down as Thales. uh, Thanks for watching. Thank you very much, students. So see you in the next video.